Is your iPhone endlessly flashing the Apple logo and refusing to turn on? Don't panic. And whatever you do not factory reset your phone yet. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to break your iPhone out of this boot loop with two proven methods. The first method takes less than 30 seconds, but if your phone is being extremely stubborn, stick around for method 2, which is the ultimate failsafe. Let's get your phone fixed. Method number 1, we're starting with the forced restart. Why does this work? Because 90% of the time, this logo loop is just a software glitch that got stuck. This method forces the phone to cut the power, dump the bad code, and start fresh. And the best part, it will absolutely not delete any of your data. It's a very specific sequence, so follow along with me. You need to use the volume up, volume down, and large side power button. Here's the trick. Quickly press and release volume up, quickly press and release volume down, press and hold the side button. Keep holding that side button, ignore everything on the screen. Your goal is to wait for the screen to go completely pitch black. Keep holding. And the second you see the Apple logo pop back up, let go. Pro tip, if it doesn't work on the first try, don't give up. Sometimes it takes 2 or 3 attempts to get the timing exactly right. Just remember, quick up, quick down, and hold. Now, what if you tried that 3 times and still looping? That means the software needs a little outside help. This brings us to method number 2. You'll need a computer and your charging cable. Don't worry, this is easier than it sounds. If you're on a Mac, you already have everything you need. Just open the Finder app. If you're on Windows PC, quickly pause this video, go to Google or the Microsoft Store and download iTunes. So now you plug in one end of your cable into your computer and the other end into your looping iPhone. Now we're going to do the exact same button combination we did in method 1. Quickly press volume up, quickly press volume down, hold the side button. Keep holding that side button even when the Apple logo appears. Do not let go until you see a completely new screen. It will show a laptop and a cable icon. This is recovery mode. Look at your computer screen. You should see a pop-up warning you that there's a problem with the iPhone. You will see 2 options. Restore and update. Listen carefully. Click update. Clicking update tells your computer to reinstall the latest iOS software without erasing your photos, messages, or apps. Let the computer do its thing. Download the update, and once this finishes, your phone should boot up good as new. Ever wonder how to fix iPhone 17 Pro not turning on? Watch this video now.